Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn types of specialist doctors. Whenever we visit hospital, we see the names of doctor with lot of different degrees. So in this video, let's learn what is the role of different doctor in different diseases. Neonatologist, doctor who focuses only on the health and well-being of newborns. Gynecologist, a specialist doctor who manages conditions that affect the female reproductive system. Obstetrician, they are specialized in delivering babies and taking care of women during pregnancy and after giving birth. Pediatrician, a doctor who deals with the diseases of children. Geriatrician, they deal with the health and take care of old people. Dermatologist, a dermatologist is a doctor who specializes in treating the skin, hair and nails. Trichologist, a trichologist is a specialist who focuses on diseases of hair and scalp as well as they do treatment for it. Ophthalmologist, they are specialized in the treatment of disorders and diseases of the eye. ENT surgeon, they treat ear, nose and throat related problems. Dentist, they treat issues related to oral cavity such as teeth, gums, jaw, etc. Physiotherapist, they treat bones, muscles, nerves and brain related problems with different electrical modalities and exercises. They also carry out rehabilitation of lung and heart patients. Orthopedic surgeon, they treat disorders of the bones, joints, ligaments, tendons and muscles. Endocrinologist, they treat disorders related to hormonal imbalance. Pulmonologist, a pulmonologist is a doctor who diagnose and treat diseases of lungs. Cardiologist, they treat issues related to heart. Gastroenterologist, they treat the organs in your digestive system such as esophagus, stomach and intestine as well as liver, bile ducts, pancreas and gallbladder. Nephrologist, they are the specialized in treating kidney related issues. Hepatologist, they take care of your liver. Urologist, they look after problems of urinary tract. Neurologist, they treat disorders that affect the brain, spinal cord and nerves such as paralysis, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, etc. Psychiatrist, a doctor who is trained to treat people with mental illness. Oncologist, they treat cancer and provide medical care for a person diagnosed with cancer. Plastic surgeon, Plastic surgeons do surgeries to repair or reconstruct burns, scars, injuries, or any external body part. Rheumatologist. They treat conditions affecting the joints, bone, muscles, ligaments and tendons like rheumatoid arthritis, gout, etc. Anesthesiologist. They give anesthesia before surgery. Radiologist. Doctors who analyzes MRI, CT scan, X-ray, Doppler, sonography, etc. Pathologist. These doctors studies fluids, tissues or organs taken from the body, and they help in diagnosis the condition and treat it. Hematologist. They are specialized doctors who research, diagnose, treat and help to prevent blood-related disorders. Neurosurgeon. They perform surgery on brain, spinal cord, etc. Hope this information is useful to you. Thanks for watching Kids Learn.